In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a second navigation menu on your Squarespace website on Squarespace 7.1. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. Even though you don't know how coding works or you don't have any experience, I'll show you step by step what you need to do. So make sure you go ahead and watch this video all the way until the end, and then you'll know exactly how you can create a second navigation menu. Let's get started right away. Alright, so step number one is to sign in to your Squarespace account and then go into the backend, and then instead of clicking on edit, what you want to do is click on settings, click on advanced right there, and then find code injection. Next up, you want to grab the code from the description down below on this video and you want to paste it in here. Alright, once you've done that, you want to click save, and then you should already see a section that shows up right here. If you then go back to your settings, you'll see that there's this extra bar that just appeared right here. Alright, so as of right now, there's no text, there's no menu, but what I'm going to do is show you how you can then go ahead and add a menu. So what you need to do is go to pages, and then right here you can add a menu. So as of right now, we've only got home, but normally what you would do is you would click on plus, you would then select a page, for example, you would then type in the name, just like that, and it will then show up just like this on your website, right? But what we're going to do right now is make sure that the text appears right there. So I've already built this, but what you need to do is simply click on not linked, then on plus icon, click folder, then give that a name. So I named it secondary navigation just for the video. But once you've done that, you can add multiple pages. So for example, if you click add page, you go with blank, or you can add anything, to be honest. We'll go with page 1, then we'll add another one. So on here, you would pretty much add what you want to add on that menu, on that second navigation. Could be a page, could be a blog, store, portfolio, any of that. So we'll go with page 2, just like that. Once you're done doing that, all you need to do is drag this on here, just like that, and it should then show up. Let's see. All right, it's not showing up yet. Let me do that again. Let me drag this one over here. And there we go. So you can now see that this one is not working because I did that incorrectly, but this one is indeed working. So we've got classes, classes, and about, and this is now showing up on the second navigation menu. So that's how you can do that, but you can also customize it. For that, you want to go back to settings, go to advanced, go to code injection, and then right here you'll see top center. So as of right now, this is showing up in the center, but what you can do is do top left, for example, just like that. Click save, and it will then show up right here in the top left. So that's how you can also customize it. Now, of course, if you can do top left, you can also do top right, and you can guess how you can do that, of course. Just pretty much type in right, and there we go. So that's how you can create a second navigation menu on your Squarespace website on Squarespace 7.1. So if this simple video helps you out, please consider leaving a like on the video. Let me know if you have any questions about this. Like I said, I'll leave the code you need in the description down below or in the pinned comment, so check that out as well. And then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.